Hey, what's up everybody? I am super excited today to talk to you about how to sound like Robert Glasper. This is going to be part one, and we are going to be talking primarily about his voicings and how he comes about his chordal movement, okay? So, a normal 2-5-1, right? That's just going to be, let's say an E flat major. It's going to be F minor to B flat 7 to E flat major. Glasper probably wouldn't do this normal type of bass motion. So let's talk about bass motion here. Here we are going through the circle of fifths. It's very simple. 2, 5, 1. Up and fourths, right? Okay. Glasper might substitute the 5 maybe with an A flat minor 9 instead. Let's see how that sounds. Cool. That's interesting. So what he did there was he went up from an F to an A flat. That would be a minor third in the bass motion, okay? So some of the exercises I like to practice to sound more like him involve messing around with that kind of bass motion and getting very comfortable moving voicings around, okay? So, for example, here is one exercise. For this exercise, I want you to be able to take a minor 9 chord. We'll start with F minor 9. And I want you to move the root up in minor thirds. And down. Okay, now, cool. We've been working with minor chords. Let's try the same exercise but with major chords, okay? We're gonna do an F major 9 to start. Up to an A flat major 9. B, D, cool, back to F, of course. I dig it. So that's all minor thirds, but he doesn't only use minor thirds. He uses a lot of half step and whole step bass motion too. So let's try a half step. Okay, so obviously I got a little bit more complicated at the end doing a 5-1, but you'll see we did F minor 9, up a half step, G minor 9, up a half step, to an A flat major 9. Cool, so what if we do some whole step motion? Cool, I dig it, I dig it. Now we can actually form exercises that are both melodic and harmonic using what we know here, right? So let's try this lick, which I think is pretty Glaspery, okay? Now that's going to be over F minor 9. Okay? G, C, A flat, C, B flat, G, E flat, C. Okay? Now, I want to do the same thing with this exercise. I want to now move the root motion up a minor third. Cool, I like it. Let's do it again. Maybe we can do it a little faster down. Oh, I messed it up. Cool. Okay, now there are a bunch more exercises just like that. If you check out the PDF in jazzpianoconcepts.com/store, I think the info is really awesome and you will really like the PDF, and also super appreciate you supporting these videos and allowing me to make more by purchasing some of the stuff I've put together. Cool. So now let's try combining some of that motion, okay? Let's do maybe one whole step, one half step, and then one minor third. So let's do F major 9. And then we said a whole step, half step, down in the major third. Let's try 2 whole steps and then a minor third. Cool, so look, we could talk about this all day and it would continue to be super fun, but I'm going to end the video here. Again, Glasper loves moving around in half steps, minor thirds, sometimes major thirds, and whole steps. Again, talking about root motion. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, jazzpianoconcepts@gmail.com. I also have a couple openings in my studio, so feel free to get in contact if you want lessons. And again, jazzpianoconcepts.com/store have a bunch of really cool PDFs I've put together with exercises that I've developed over the years, including a bunch of exercises that will help you sound more like this modern hip-hop, R&B, jazz style. Okay? Good luck, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a lot.